In front of me is NOKIA C01 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening messages and selecting or creating a chat. Unfortunately, you can't add already existed audio file, but you can record it and add it right away. To do that, hold this microphone at the bottom left corner. Record your message, and to discard it, slide it to the left. To add it though, just let go. As you can see, after that, my audio file was successfully added. To add a video one, hit this plus at the bottom left corner, tap on gallery icon, and click on your video right away. If it's recent, or select folders at the top and look for it over here. Then click on it to add it. If you wish to add it from here though, you need to hold it and tap on Add at the top right corner. Either way, as you can see, my videos were successfully attached. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!